From time immemorial, Greek, Sak, Hun, Mughal, Pathan, Gin, Tatar, Yuchi, Portuguese, Dutch, Dinamar, Alandaj, Farasi, Ingrej invade India. The main reason behind it, it's religious, courageous, wealthy, rich in culture, and in many aspects, it's a great land. From ancient era to modern age, India experienced various ups and downs. Still, it's a wonder and great land for the rest of the people of the world. Today's topic is diamond. In India, from ancient time to modern age, both male and female are fond of gems, jewelry, and ornaments. Use of natural diamond was first started in India. Diamond from the riverbed, mountain, or fountain goes to the hand of the ruler. For the rarity and glittering exceptional lightning beauty, diamond become counted as a great and wealthiness of the ruler. A keen competition and even warfare also going on to get the glittering diamond. Time passes away. Time passes away. Diamond from India go to abroad. People become so much crazy to get a diamond. With the help of modern technology, research and education, Brazil, Russia, Australia, Canada, and of course, South Africa, Botswana, Angola able to get diamond. With all these countries, America, London, Antwerp, Belgium, German, Paris, and in India, Surat, Mumbai, Kolkata, and many countries are also involved in cutting and polishing and also lab certified process. Now, diamond become a multi-billion, most sophisticated, and of course, a smiling and cheerful global business. The rarest of the rare diamond of India, which glitter the whole world, and the beginner of diamond business are Koh-i-Noor, Hope or Blue Diamond, which is inside the Natural History Museum of Washington, D.C. Regent, and many more are inside German, Paris, Russia, and many other countries where visitors and enthusiasts line up to see the exceptional lightning beauty of diamond. Diamond, starting from India, give a great contribution for the upliftment of economy globally. Isn't a greatness of a nation? Yes. So cheer up. Diamond starting from India, India, India. Yes, yes, yes. Thank you.